Hi everybody, welcome to Creative Mini Art Cooking. Today we are going to cook Bourak. Here are the ingredients: some seasoning, basil, salt, an onion and minced meat. This is about 800 grams, but it can be more or less if you like it. And some spring roll pastry. Okay, let's start now. First I'm going to cut this onion in really small parts. Well, isn't this very exciting? Yeah! I cut the onions in little pieces. The smaller the parts, the better the taste. Now I take some oil, and then the onions. Okay, now I do the minced meat. And the salt. And also there's some seasoning spices. And some more seasoning. Mix it all together. When the water is almost gone, we can put in the basil. Oh, this is almost ready. Now the basil. This is about finished. This is finished. Turn it off. So now we leave it cooling a bit before we begin with the spring roll pastry. Okay, so here we are. Meat is cooled down.
Yes.
Now we're going to take this.
Yes.
I'm going to fold this like this.
Martin, actually.
Take the corners.
Yes.
Corners to the inside and fold it.
Yes.
And then we roll it close like this.
Yes.
And after that we have some water and flour. Okay. And then we close it up. That's it.
That's it.
So this is the result of all the Bourak. And now we do it in a pan with some oil. don't need to cook them all. You can leave this in the freezer, and whenever you like you can take it out. Finished. So, this is the end result. So if you like you can take this with chili sauce or with nothing. I like it with a bit chili sauce. So this is it, Bourak. Have a nice meal.
Lekker, papa.
Very tasty.
Meer, meer, meer. Grote pasta. Allemaal opgegeten, papa. Jammer.
Bye bye.